So this vegan ice cream is so good. We're at Sage, and I can't begin to tell you that PT and I just went like in seriously on some good old vegan eats. That ice cream, or whatever you want to call it, vegan dessert. I'm telling you, and I'm talking about, I'm wanting to go in, and this is all vegan. Like, tell me that. PT said, tell you what it is. Tell you that it's just a good old plate of yumminess is what you all need to know. No, it's strawberry cheesecake. But vegan. I don't even want to call it cheesecake because that's not doing it justice. Because there's no cheese in it, people. No cheese. So what do you call it? Just strawberry boom cake. Strawberry what?
Strawberry goodness.
Strawberry goodness cake. So y'all need to get you some. Shout out to Sage. It is really, really good. If y'all don't know about Sage, then you need to know about Sage. So we had a full day today. So in the midst of our running around, prior to us stuffing our face, and me making a mess right now at the table, we went and I got my Invisalign happening, getting my grill all redone, and pretty much after that we had like more business to handle. So we handled some other stuff, which that stuff we cannot talk about right now. But then we also went and saw a wonderful other screen printing company, so we can bring some of our wonderful products and stuff to you. And I'm about to go back in on eating the last laugh of the young. I know I was told never to eat with my mouth full, however, y'all won't know how good it is until you taste it. As much as I like being fit, I like and I enjoy the experience to eat. I'm not gonna fake it. I'm not going to fake it at all. Thank you. Look, I am scraping. I enjoy eating. PT enjoys eating. We bond over eating, people. However, there are things that we think about. Strawberry. So, while we were eating our lunch, though, I was just sharing with PT that, thank you, that pretty much I discovered that I'm biting my lip now. And I don't know if it's because of the attachments, the bumpers that are on particular teeth that I have to get used to chewing again a little bit differently. No biggie. They don't hurt so far. I mean, it's only been roughly about, I don't know, 5 hours. About 5 hours. 6 hours at the most. But so far, I'm not in pain. They just feel, it feels a little bit like there's maybe raw brown sugar on your teeth in certain areas. Well, let me see if you can see. You see them? Yeah, and I probably excuse me if you see any food as well, but it is what it is, people. Trying to give you the real situation at hand. But I don't know. It's just been a day, and I know that I'm filled with ums. I'm filled with ums and yums today, so just deal with it, please. Excuse me, and all the real folks that come to us, they'll just deal with it. Thank you. But we enjoyed ourselves, and I'm going to have a little bit more water, and we're about to bounce, and we'll see you when we see you. Alrighty.